Do exhaust tips actually change how your car sounds? Or is that a myth? Most people assume tips are purely cosmetic. They're partially right, but not entirely. Sound is shaped by pressure waves traveling through your exhaust system. The tip is the final stage of that system, which means its diameter, length, and wall thickness all influence how those waves exit. A wider tip increases exit velocity, which lowers back pressure at the outlet. Lower back pressure subtly shifts the tone toward a deeper, less restricted note. A longer tip extends the resonance chamber, amplifying certain frequencies because the wave has more surface to interact with before escaping. Thicker walls dampen high-frequency vibration, which means less tinny resonance on high-revving engines. The effect is modest compared to a full catback system or muffler swap. However, on turbocharged engines, where exhaust pulses are already compressed, tip geometry has a measurably larger acoustic impact than on naturally aspirated engines. So yes, exhaust tips do change your sound. The effect is real, but it's subtle, physics-based, and engine-dependent.